Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. So I'm starting off by applying some nail primer to all of my nails. I've already prepped my nails for the acrylic application off camera, and I've completed my left hand off camera as well, just to practice the coffin shape since this is my first time doing coffin nails on myself. So I'm using my gold finger flat brush number 4 to complete this entire set, and I'm going to start off by sort of building the free edge first and then just getting the length and everything that I want. If you can see those numbers on the side of my nail form, I will be building all of my nails to the number 3. So I sort of started off just by building more so a square nail, and then I kind of tapered in the sides. That was what was working. What, Destiny? That's what worked best for me when I was doing this. Like I said, it was my first time, so yeah. I cut the footage of me covering the rest of the nail since it was kind of out of frame and then dark and all that good stuff, so yeah. On this next nail, since I didn't like the way my nail had sort of broke, you know how you get like a hangnail and it just break all ugly, so I decided to kind of disguise that by using some of this gold glitter. Since the nails are clear, they would have been able to, you know, people would be able to see that it's like, oh, her nail broke ugly under there. So decided to use this gold glitter, and then I'm just going to continue to build the nail the same way we did the previous nail, all the way out to number 3. You can make yours longer or shorter if you would like, but for my lifestyle, I like this length right now. Once I'm satisfied with the shape towards the free edge, I'm going to go ahead and cover and build the rest of the nail, being sure not to get the acrylic on the cuticle area because that will cause lifting. Lifting is basically when your nails just, they lift up in the back and then it just hurts and you keep bending it down, and it hurts really bad and it could just pop off. It'll be a waste of your time if it comes off in a day. Why is it freezing when I'm trying to do the voiceover? Okay, there we go. So for this next nail, I want to use my striping tape, but while I'm actually doing the acrylic process is when I want to put it on, because I found last time when I used my tape, like after I had filed and buffed my nails and then I went in with my base gel, like my base gel nail polish, and then I cured that and then I put the tape on and then I did the top gel, it comes off because that little layer of gel isn't enough to hold the tape under there for me. Let me know your technique. It may be better than mine. So this time I decided I'm going to build a clear nail, thin, and then put the tape on and then go in with a thicker ball of acrylic to cover the tape. So now my tape is underneath there or embedded into the nail. And with this method, it didn't come off. Like, it's still intact. I'm looking at it right now. And as far as the excess, I just needed a long enough piece of tape. So I'll worry about kind of getting rid of the excess that's sitting over my finger in the back and then also hanging out from underneath the nail. Once I put the acrylic on, that's easy to get off. So I'm going to trim at that with some scissors. I was sitting outside doing this, so I didn't feel like going back in to get things that would look appropriate on camera, so I just used the large ones. I had them out there already. So now I'm just going to trim that, and then I'm covering the rest of the nails so that my tape doesn't lift from the free edge either. And I basically alternated between these 3 types of nails, so a full clear nail, a glitter gold nail, or tape on my nails. And that was pretty much how I finished this entire set. So after filing and buffing my nails to my liking, this is pretty much what I'm left with. And now we're going to go ahead and begin the designing process, which is my favorite part. So I purchased these Swarovskis from Hobby Lobby. As long as it's like a flat back, any type of gems, you can put them on your nails, or that's what I do. So I'm just kind of showing you all how to open them here, because if you kind of open them incorrectly, you'll see what happened with mine. It just went kind of all over the place, which kind of disappointed me because it was different sizes. So at this point now I got all my sizes mixed up. It's all good. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some base gel to all of my nails, and then I'll just kind of randomly decide where I want to place these Swarovskis. For me, when I do my nails, none of this is really thought out, or when you pick out the colors, that's kind of thought out. But as far as knowing exactly where the Swarovskis will go, how you want the designs to go, I literally freestyle this while the camera is running. So I just dropped all of my rhinestones on the floor. All of them. What it's like filming behind the scenes. And imagine picking these up off of carpet. Like, a hot mess, but I managed to save a good amount of them. So yeah, luckily. Anywho, I'm just using my DIY wax pencil to randomly place my Swarovskis, and I sped these clips up because it does take me a good minute to position these. But the good thing I like about using gel over a nail glue or nail polish to apply these is that the gel will not cure, it will not dry, it's not set until you put it underneath your UV or LED lamp. So you have as much time as you need basically until you put it under the lamp to position your rhinestones. And I'm just cleaning up any gel that may run to the sides of my nail using the opposite end of the wood stick. And yeah, I decided to take that one off of the striping tape. It was, yeah, striping tape only for that nail. So basically that's pretty much how I did my nails. Let me know how you all like them. I'm curing my nails for 2 minutes. I followed up with the top coat and then wiping my nails off with some alcohol to remove that tacky layer. I didn't get any footage of my finished results, but I downloaded these clips from my Insta story. So yeah, questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. If you all want a full tutorial on how to do clear nails, I will link that in my description box down below. Let me know how y'all like these coffin shape on me, because this is my first time doing the coffin shape. I normally only wear stilettos. So yeah, more nail tutorials coming soon. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching.